Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. So as you know guys, here under this playlist, we are going to cover only advanced concepts of Power BI. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about disconnected tables. I hope you guys are clear with the concept of how we can handle disconnected tables in Power BI. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about one more advanced topic of Power BI, which name is Z order. Maybe some of you guys have heard about what is Z order in Power BI, but mostly people are not aware about Z order. And this looks so absurd to hear what is Z order. But no worries guys, please watch this video till the end, and after watching this, your all the doubts will be clear about Z order in Power BI. And this question has also asked with many of the trainees in an interview, that what is Z order in Power BI. So let's begin our class and understand what is Z order in Power BI. So let's firstly understand the definition of Z order. Z order refers to the front to back arrangements of visual in our report. It also refers to design choice of placing visuals over shape. Z order lets you overlap your visual as you see fit, as a result get more control over your formatting. There is no specific Z order button in Power BI. It's simply a methods of working in your report. And now let's see the practical of Z order in Power BI desktop. So let's move towards the Power BI desktop screen. And now we guys have entered in Power BI desktop screen. So firstly guys, let me create two graphs here. Firstly I will take this pie chart visual, and here I want to display country-wise sale. And now guys, what I will do, I will simply expand this sales table and select this country field and drop here under this legend parameter. And similar way guys, I will take this sales field and drop here under this values parameter. So here we guys can see country-wise sales. In a similar way guys, let's create one more graph. So I want to display product-wise sale. So what I will do, I will take this stacked column chart, and here I want to display product wise sale. So under x-axis parameter guys, I will take this product column, and under y-axis guys, I will take this sales field, and here I can also display product wise sale. And now guys, what I will do, I want to set both the visuals under the shape. So for taking any shape visual guys, what you need to do, you simply need to go here under this insert tab, and here you can see the option of shapes. So you guys can take any of the shapes from here. I am taking this rectangle. You guys can choose any other shape, and its by default color is blue. So if you guys want to change the color of this shape, so you simply need to go here under this style, and here you can see the color filling. So if you guys want to change the color from here, so just click here on this drop down guys, and here you can see the list of colors. So I am taking this light gray. And now let me increase the size of my shape. And suppose guys, I want to insert both the visuals here under this shape. So I will simply select this visual and make it resize. In a similar way guys, I also want to take this visual and place here under this shape. And now you guys can see our both the visuals are disappear, because that is behind this shape. You guys can clearly see it here. But if you guys want to set both the visuals here under this image, so what you need to do guys, you need to use Z order here. And the question is how we can use Z order in Power BI. So there are very easy steps guys which you need to follow. So firstly you need to go here under this view tab, and here guys you can see the option of selection. So simply click here on this selection pane, and now we can see all the list of visual which we have in the canvas, like shape visual, sales by product, sales by country, text box. So simply guys, you need to change the order of your visuals. That's it. And that is known as Z order in Power BI. And now guys, what I will do, I will simply change the order. So let me select this shape visual and place here just next to the sales by country visual. And see guys, now I can see both the visual on the top of this shape image. So that process is known as Z order in Power BI. And now guys, if interviewers ask what is Z order in Power BI, so you guys now answerable. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And please share this channel in your network with your family and friends who really wants to learn these analytical skills like Power BI and SQL from scratch. So with the help of this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro, you guys can easily learn Power BI and SQL from scratch till advanced level. So here under this 50 tutorials, we have covered Power BI full course from scratch. And if you click here on this playlist button, so here we guys can see we have multiple playlists are here. So firstly you need to complete this Power BI full course playlist before watching this advanced concept playlist. And here we have more playlists guys, like visualization, updates, and with the help of this DAX expression, you guys can also take detailed knowledge of DAX queries. And with the help of this Power BI with SQL playlist, so you guys can also start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel, where you guys can learn each and every concept of SQL in detail. And very soon guys, I'm gonna add some other playlists which makes your analytical skills on next level. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But those who thinks they required only live training and sessions, because these guys came from the different backgrounds and feel difficult to understand this concept from the videos, so we also conduct paid online training sessions where we train people in such a way so that they can clear their interviews. And we also provide right roadmap and guidance with proper notes, assignments, and also cover some market level advanced scenarios with right logics. And placement assistance guys will always be there with the help of WhatsApp group, where you guys will get to see the regular updates of Power BI, some latest interview question and answers, along with some HR calls. So for paid training and support, you guys can follow us on LinkedIn or Telegram. We also have this Insta account as well as this Facebook account, so you can follow us all these platforms, and I will share all the links in the description box. So thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.